Most people don't think about what their fermenter is made of. They pick whatever's cheap, available, or comes with a kit and hope for the best. But here's the thing, the material matters a lot. It affects flavor, clarity, stability, and even safety. And the one term you need to know is this, non-reactive. That just means it won't mess with your mead. It doesn't leach chemicals, it doesn't add weird flavors, and it holds up when exposed to acids, alcohol, or heat. Now, if your fermenter isn't non-reactive, like aluminum, brass, or unglazed ceramic, you're risking a chemical reaction. That can give your mead a harsh or metallic taste, or even make it unsafe. Let's walk through the good options, so you don't ruin the batch without even realizing it. At the top of the list is stainless steel. It's fully non-reactive, completely airtight, and blocks both light and oxygen. It's easy to clean and built to last. Yeah, it's more expensive, but if you're in this for the long haul or fermenting under pressure, it's worth every penny. Next up is glass. It's also non-reactive, and it won't mess with the flavor or aroma. You can see your fermentation clearly, which is also a plus, but be careful. It's heavy, and if you drop it, it's done. Still, for 1 gallon batches or secondary use, glass is solid. Now, let's talk about HDPE plastic. It's food safe and pretty common. It won't chemically react with your mead, but it's not airtight. It lets in a little oxygen over time, and if it gets scratched, those grooves can harbor bacteria. So, use it for short-term primary fermentation and replace it if it gets worn. Then there's PET plastic, PET, like better bottles. It's clearer than HDPE, holds up a bit longer, and is still non-reactive. But again, once it gets cloudy, scratched, or old, retire it. It's good beginner gear, but not built to last. Now, here's what you need to avoid completely. Aluminum, brass, copper, unglazed ceramics, untreated wood, or anything not labeled food safe. These either corrode, react with acids, or leach stuff into your mead. And wood? That's for aging, not fermenting. So here's the bottom line. If it's touching your mead for weeks or months, it needs to be non-reactive, airtight, and easy to clean, period. Now, to see the gear I actually use, my top fermenters and tools are linked in the description and the pinned comment. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for real-world mead-making strategies that actually work. No fluff. And if you're ready to go deeper, the Practical Mead-Maker ebook covers honey, water, flavor balance, off-flavor fixes, and step-by-step troubleshooting. And if you're serious about better mead, check out my other videos and playlists over here. It will level up your techniques and your mead's flavor. Cheers.